In this video, I want to show you the power button location on your Sony TV and also how to use it because it's capable of doing more than simply powering your TV on and off. So let's get started. There's multiple places where this could be hidden. So the first one, and I'll show you where it is on this model. If I turn the TV this side, actually no, it's the other side. Power button on this model is on the back, down below. You see, on one of the side. On your model, if it's not on the same spot as mine, where it could also be is under your TV, so over here. So I suggest you put your TV on its back slightly if you cannot see properly. Take a look, sometimes the button is in the middle or on the sides under it. Usually they try to hide this button, so it's sometimes hard to find where it is. This is why I also make this video. So once you find that button, I'll go ahead and press on it. You'll have multiple options. It's not only a power on and off. As you see, you have power, volume up, down, channel up, and inputs. And let me repress because that menu disappeared after about 5 seconds. So if I press again on it, it will say over here, press to move, press and hold to power off. So if you simply want to power off, you're going to press and hold that power button and it will be like pressing that button that you saw on the screen and the TV will power off. Now let me show you how to select the other options. Okay, let me power it back on. So if you want to select any other options, simply click on the button. Don't keep it pressed. Click. And once you want to select one of these, let's say I want input over here, I'll click until it's selected in blue, and then I'll keep press that button. So let me do it. I keep press on it and input will be selected. I'll be able to change between TV, AirPlay, HDMI 1, 2, 3, depending if you have other devices connected to your Sony TV. So this is pretty useful. And again, to select any of these inputs, you're gonna tap to select it and then keep press to actually say to the TV that this is the input you want. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.